Hey you guys, I'm Jay.
And I'm Lisa.
We're Our Simple Adventures, and can you see where we're at? We are in Elk Horn, Iowa, at the famous Danish Windmill.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happy.
Welcome to Elk Horn, one of the largest rural Danish settlements in the United States, and home of our authentic 1848 Danish windmill. Indeed, it is a real Danish windmill, moved here in 1976, reassembled piece by piece, and restored to working condition.
So, you are now standing in the base of the windmill. It was built in 1848 in North Sweden, Denmark, and dismantled and brought over here in 1975, 76-ish. All the shingles up above there are the ones that have been, that was mentioned in the video, that was a fundraiser that they sold to make money to bring it over. So that's where those are all displayed. All of the windmills on this counter have been donated at one time or another to the mill, including the Lego mill in this cabinet, which is over 3,750 pieces.
Somebody in town did that?
Yes. Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yeah,
a young man did that several years ago and donated it to the mill. So the mill on the end is a replica of the one that you're standing in. We use this to kind of show you how the top of the windmill works. So when the wind changes, which I don't think it's very windy today, but when the wind changes, the fantail in the back is what catches that wind, and it moves through a series of gearboxes down up into the gears, which you'll see when you go upstairs. It moves the whole top of the windmill around into the wind. It moves the sails so that they are into the wind. But it's this little guy back here that does that.
Okay.
All right, so over here in the display case is the 1:10 ratio model that was built in Denmark and sent over with the dismantled pieces. When it originally came over, every piece on this model had a number on it. It sat outside for a while they reconstructed the mill, and just over all of the years, the numbers have all faded off of the model. However, if you look over here onto these beams over here, anything that has a tag like this, brown, when you go upstairs, this little brown tag, and this one up there, which I just recently realized was up there. You can see it better on there. The numbers are on the tags. So they would look at that tag, and then they would look at this model, and that's how they would know where to put it. So, and that is the only thing that the gentleman in Elk Horn had to put this back together. We're actually standing underneath the grindstones that are right above our head. We don't grind we're not currently grinding with the mill. Our grindstones have worn down to the point where they're to the lead weights that they use to adjust the grindstones. And so we can't grind with it right now, but we do have someone over in Denmark looking for grindstones for us that we can bring over to replace our stones so that we can start grinding again. So when a customer would bring their grain in, the miller would tie the rope around the bag. He would pull on this rope, and it would go up through the shutter, or the trap door up there would have been open. So he would have pulled it up to the second floor, gone upstairs, and the grindstone, the runner stone on the top would have been going around with the windmill. There's a hopper you'll see when you go up there, and he would feed that grain into the hopper, and they would come right back down to this floor to the flour chutes. So that is the end of my spiel down here. You are welcome to tour the rest of the mill on your own. Up to the grindstone level is the staircase. After that, there's two ladder-like staircases to go up. You can go up as high as you would like. Just be careful coming back down the ladders.
I guess we got a little ding in us, don't we?
Oh,
A little ding? Yeah.
My grandma Hannah was a ding.
Yeah. A little warmer up here. the grindstone. Put the grain in there. Put here, and it goes down through there. Oh yeah. It smells like grain, if you guys know what the grain smells like, or in a barn. Yeah, there's some wind. How come it's not going?
It's not. Is it not working?
No. Well, there's a sail. Elk Horn, Iowa, you guys. I guess the wind's probably just going right through them. It is faced into the wind though, so that part's working. Very cool. 1840s. Okay, let's go upstairs. I guess I'm probably the only one that's going to go upstairs. The ladder here. All right. And of course, every floor it gets warmer. Said don't pull on the ropes, so we won't do that. Oh, okay. Turn around and back down. This the ladder's for. Yeah. Just like a. There's not really hardly anything up here. It's just a floor, really. It's just a floor, really. Okay. Oh, there's the equipment up there.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, speed right over. He did. Watch the video to see that.
Okay, let's go up another. Oh. Oh, wow. I got that ladder blocked off. Right there. The gears up there. Okay, this is some big equipment. Ouch. Watch your head. Due to safety concerns, do not go. No one allowed beyond this point. Look at those gears. There's the shaft of the blades, I guess, sails. Pretty cool. Doesn't. Okay, then it said turn around and back down these. See if we can do that without falling.
Well, maybe it was fate when you walked in the door. I could have sworn I've seen your face before. So glad that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to hold. All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments. Well, maybe it was fate or a part of his plan. Giving me you was like giving me another chance. Thank God that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to love. All those little moments, the bites you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me
The church? Yeah. Oh, that's it. That is a little church. Wow. Who built it? Charles Walensky built the Morning Star Chapel in Waterloo, Iowa. Trained as a carpenter in Copenhagen. Okay, you guys, thanks so much for being patient with us. Lisa and I love you guys so much. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit that notification bell so you get notified when we publish. And we may not be every week, but we'll be getting back to making videos. God bless. We love you. Bye.